Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the vertical scrolling or rolling end credit text in a CapCut PC. If you want to end your film or maybe documentary with a professional florist, you can use this vertical scrolling end credits effects and you can do it easily in a CapCut PC. So what you need to do is just here, after you finish your edit, you can go to the end of your clip, go to text and add the default text like this. It will automatically have a black background. Now you can just add a long text block like this. Don't forget to adjust the font size. Now you can adjust the durations, and here at the start I'm going to bring the text down like this. Now you can just add a keyframes in a transform option, so click on this button right here to add a keyframe, and I'm going to go in the middle and put the text up and go to the end and move it again to the top like this. You can preview the result by click on the play button. So this is the rolling end credit text in CapCut PC. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.